Okay, so the tags are all done. All I have to do now is finish up my little tails, all these, and decorate the front. What should we do on the front? You know, I said I was going to do this off camera, but kind of in the mood to just get it done. So I think we're going to do something really simple here, like a couple of flowers. I have this box of small flowers and butterflies. And I do have some other, but there's no blue and there's really not any white. These are, no, I don't like that. Let's put there. I have a video I still need to post. I made a gift for a little girl. My son went to her birthday party and didn't have a clue as to what these. I didn't really know her that well. She's from where he works, and I used these. I got these at like a dollar store. These might be cute in the corner. Oh, keep in mind, Marcy, you want to lay flat for when you're writing. Although I don't actually write, I wouldn't be writing directly in this journal. I write in the tags and whatnot. So it doesn't really matter if it lies perfectly flat for writing. So if I put these on the front or on the spine, no, because I don't know. What do I want? What do I want? What do I want? First, let's cut off these wires. We don't need them. Can bend that to make it flat. Over here, maybe. Something like this. And then stick stuff in there. What do I want to stick in there? You could have like pieces of ribbon and lace coming out of there. I think it's done. No, it turned out really pretty. It looks almost like a bridal book. But hey, that's fine. I deserve pretty things too, don't I? Just for myself. Pretty, frilly, girly, shabby chic. It's definitely a style that I love. So there's my journal, and I hope you enjoyed this video.